there, this is Ananya, and today we'll be understanding two new topics in Numpy, that is split and join. Now, we have done a lot of splitting and joining in Python strings and lists. So this is not going to be too much of an issue at all. It's a simple topic. We're just going to relax and understand through examples. So let's get started. Firstly, I have a simple 1D array here. And I am going to apply the function array, the array underscore split. Okay, I hope you all can see this. Okay, I think that's big enough. Now, array underscore split, and the parameters that it takes is first the array itself, and next is an integer number as to how many times do you want it to be split into. So in this case, I'm taking 3. So what should our result be? It'll basically return you arrays. Okay. So you have array 1, 2, array 3, 4, and array 5, 6. Let's go ahead and show you all the output. This might take a while because, okay, we got it. So as I said, you have array 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. You split the original array into 3 parts. Now, what if we wanted to split it row-wise? How did we split this? This is basically a 1D array, so it won't matter. Let's take a 2D array. So you have, I guess, 3 rows and 2 columns, right? So what I want to do is split it again into 3, but in this case, our axis will be 1. So let's go ahead and run it. I'll explain it to you all, whatever is happening. So this is the new array that we get. So you got 1, 3, 5 first. So you see it split it for you basically row wise, but you get a single column out of it. Okay. You split it row wise, but one column gets selected for you. And next in the second array, you have 2, 4, and 6. And the shape is 3, 0. All right. So this was splitting. Now let's come to another way. By instead of mentioning axis is equal to 1, is there any direct way to do it? Well, there is. And the function provided to you is hsplit. You don't have to mention axis is equal to 1 or 0 or anything. You just say np.hsplit array, and I want to split it thrice. Let's go ahead and run that. And this is what you get. 1, 4, okay, 1 and 4 fall in the first array, 2 and 5 fall in the second array, and 3 and 6 in the third one. All right, so this is what we get for splitting. Again, it's pretty simple, right? Let's go ahead to the exact opposite concept of splitting, that is joining. Again, we have used a lot of concatenation now, right, in lists and strings. Let's apply them on NumPy arrays now. So just like you get it, right, it's exactly the opposite concept. In splitting, we had a single original array which we were splitting into 2 or more arrays. In this case, that is joining, we have 2 or more arrays which we join into a single one. So first, one basic function that you all can use is concatenate. So what you all say is np.concatenate, and to that you have to pass a tuple. Okay, please be very, very careful about it. Just don't pass your array 1 and array 2. You need to put that inside a tuple. Let's go ahead and print it. And there you go. You have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you might wonder, what if again I had some axis condition going on? Well, that's absolutely fine. Let's go ahead and show you all how stack works. Okay, it's exactly the same as concatenation, but you can apply it along some other axis. Okay, that's the difference. So let's remove concatenate and put in stack. Okay, and let's go ahead and give axis is equal to 1. Let's try this out. Okay, and there you go. You have it stacked. How do you have it stacked? You have 1, okay, 1, 2, 3. To that, you have 4, 5, and 6. This array being stacked column, okay. You basically stacked it row-wise, but you can see a new column. So what if it was 0? I guess that is by default. So you have 1, 2, 3. On top of that came 4, 5, 6. So by access 0 is basically by default, right? Yes. Let's move on to H stack now. So just like we did H split here, and you did not have to mention the access explicitly, the same concept. In case of H split, you put H stack, and thus you do not have to apply access anymore. Let's go ahead and run that. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Access is equal to 0. Next, we try out stack along columns. That is access is equal to 1. So that is V stack. Okay, I have this noted down. Maybe you could just take a quick screenshot of it in case you need it. Okay, now let's try out stacking along the height. That is D stack. What does it give us? Okay, there you go. You have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Pretty much like what we concatenated it during access. We stacked it as access is equal to 1. And that's pretty much it. Very simple topic, quick one. We understood splitting and joining. Bye-bye for now. I'll see you all soon.